Good evening, everyone. Um, my name is David. I want to welcome you all especially to our project tonight. Um, or especially welcome you to DF Technologies. And what we do here, we teach you how to navigate around the techie world, even if you're still a beginner. Um, if you're just jumping on this YouTube channel for the very first time, um, please take a second to hit the subscription button and smash that notification bell so you get notified whenever I post content like this. And in our video here today, we'll be talking about we talked about our graphic design, and I showed you how to make use of the Pixel Lab. And tonight I'm going to be showing you another software, another website that you can use to design an awesome of nice graphics design that you cannot imagine. So today we'll be concluding on our graphic design class. So after this graphic design, I will be giving an assignment where you have to design a flyer and a logo. So you submit the assignment or the project to my WhatsApp or to my DM directly. So um, not wasting much of our time, let's get started. I believe most of us have known how to operate or how to use the Pixel Lab. Now I'm going to teach you one of the best websites I can use to design. Believe in me, if this website should go down or this website should be shut down today, you see that 90% of the graphic designers, well, they might likely lose their jobs because this website gives you awesome design. You have so many of them, but I'll just be showing you one of them. So let's get started. The name of this site is postermywall.com. Postermywall.com. It's a site that allows you to design okay, postermywall.com. Okay, let's start, postermywall.com. Okay, postermywall.com. Okay, yeah, the thing is loading up. First of all, you need to sign in. You need to register. So if you're not joining for the very first time, you see the registration or the sign in button. But for me, I'm registered already, and my profile is saved to the website. So it's trying to load up, and once you get here, if you're using your PC, your laptop, good and fine. But if you're not using your laptop, if you're using a mobile app, I mean a mobile phone or iPhone or thereabout, make you might want to click on this three dots here at the right hand here. These three dots. Only then to this desktop site. Activate this desktop site. Sorry, my network is a bit slow, and it's loading up. Okay, this is the desktop site. So these are the designs, graphic design. If you see this design I used for this oh sorry, it's loading up. Okay, I'm so sorry, I'm in a noisy place right now. Like I'm outside, so kids are playing around. So that's the noise all about. But let's focus on it. So okay, here is it. You can see here are so many designs I've designed. The ones I designed for my clients and all of that. So if you can see, this design I used for this course, this design here. Okay, let me open in a new tab. Okay. Open a new tab. Okay, so quickly let me show you how you can design anything. So let's say you want to design let's say you want to design a flyer. Let me see it. let's say I want to design a flyer. Let's say a business. Let's say I want to design a company flyer. You can just call me and just type company flyer. Okay. You click on your enter. It's going to load up. It's going to load up thousands of flyers. Okay, you have 5,770 customizable designs template for company's flyer. Okay, let's wait while you load. Okay, so if I want to hit this image, so you just show you only images instead of showing videos and image. I'll just click this image. Okay, so these are flyers, so many flyers. Okay, it's loading up. Okay, see, boom. They have so many flyers, so many flyers, so many flyers. Let's say you want to design a flyer for a table water, a transport or logistics, or someone like a client. Let's say client hired and say, okay, Amarachi, I need a flyer. I need a flyer for. I need a hospital flyer. Yes, I need a hospital flyer or any flyer. You can just if I want to use this one and you just click here, it's going to load up for you. So something about graphic design you need to know is with color. Color is very, very important. And forget that, okay, let's say they have designed everything here. You still need your own creativity to apply. You need to apply some creativities in here. Okay, we all know that health, anything that has to do with health, the color is blue and white. You can't just go and use red or black or anything for that has to do with health. So you just have to Google out, okay, colors for health, color for this and thereabouts. You understand? So that's it. That is that for that. So let's make use of this medical care stuff. Okay, let's hit on this edit design. So whenever you're getting work for your clients, I'll still teach you guys. I'll make a video on how you can it's a Fiverr account and get clients to pay for this. I think that would be the phase. So that is what I'll go and do. So why this is loaded up, if a client hires and said, okay, oh there, or say I need the logo, I need this, I need that. So if I want to say, okay, what kind of flyer or what kind of flow? Okay, if the person has any color in mind or anything in mind, because okay, do you have any, do you have anything in mind? The person might say, no, I don't have anything in mind. I say, okay, what's the company all about? Okay, the company is A2G, blah 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 blah. It's okay. Okay, let's try it. Green and this, green and white, light blue, stuff like that. As a graphic designer, you're supposed to know colors, like colors combination. So that will give you more edge in your work. You understand? So that's it. My network is a bit slow tonight, but let's see how we can manage that. So he's loading up the templates. Let's wait. Why? Okay. Let's navigate around the. Okay, there's a cocktail. No, I don't want to look at this. Okay, it's lighting up. Oh, you see, this was the flyer you saw. This class. Yes, that. This was the flyer, and this was where I designed it. Website design, SEO search, graphic design, mobile app design, social media marketing. So that's it. Let's go back to let's see if this. Oh, boom, it has loaded up. Okay, this is where your creativity comes in. You might want to, okay, probably this is a very nice design, so you might just get the pictures and Well, let's come here and say let's give it a name. Okay, let's give it a name. Let's say sorry, let's come here and medical care. So this for tutorial purpose, might just be using any word here and see how get about that. So you tap. Okay. So let's erase this. Okay, let's see. Okay, I think we should take this in back to the phone version. Let's take it back to the phone version.